Samsung is working hard on the next Z Galaxy Fold and Flip to match the promise. The Z6 foldable phone series will be announced in the second half of 2024. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 will look very different from the current Z Flip 5 if rumors are anything to go by. Based on the previous reports, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is expected to feature a 50-megapixel camera for the first time on a flip phone. Moreover, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is expected to have bigger batteries with a capacity of 4,000 mAh than its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 5, which has a 3,700 mAh battery. Moreover, anticipate a 3.9-inch cover panel for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, surpassing the 3.4-inch cover screen of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Larger inner and outer displays for the forthcoming foldable. The smartphone may also feature a sleeker and broader design compared to its current counterpart. We expect the phone to ship with Android 14 and One UI 6.1, and will then be probably updated to One UI 7 in late 2024. Samsung always come with the latest and greatest chip. In the Z Flip 6's case, this means a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, 8GB of RAM, and a starting storage of 256GB. We don't expect an Exynos processor here, as Samsung doesn't have a habit of using Exynos for foldables. Usually, Samsung does an unpacked event in the summer to introduce its new foldable flagships. The event is usually held sometime in late July or early August. So far, we've not heard leaks about the pricing for Samsung's next foldable. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.